Welcome back to Faceless YouTube Profits. Today we'll be looking at 6 trending faceless YouTube videos, and we can analyze why we think that they are going viral. And we want to be paying attention to the amount of subscribers that a channel has versus the amount of views that they're getting. And usually when there are more views on a video than there are subscribers, then we can basically use that as a indication that it was a viral topic or a trending topic. Okay, so let's get started. Now I've used the VidIQ tool, and we've been able to go in here and look at what's called outliers, right? So you can actually go over here to their new basically tool over here, which is called outliers. We can actually go and throw some filters on. And what I like to look at is like, I want the channel to at least have 500 subscribers or more. And then I want them to have less than 50,000. Now you can go 100,000 or 200,000. You can even start, what I started was not putting a filter on subscribers. But if you really want to see small channels that are gaining momentum, you're going to want to put this dial to 50,000 and 500. So you're going to be looking at channels that are only in between 500 subscribers and 50,000 subscribers. And that's going to allow us to go ahead and see videos that are truly hitting it out of the park with very small channels, right? So their channel authority is not the reason why they are getting the momentum and the views. And then also we can come over here to publishing date, and you have all kinds of different filters over here. I like to go with the last 3 months to get started, and then you push apply, and then what it ends up doing is it will go out there, and then when you find a video, you can actually hover over the 3 dots and say, hey, you can open it in YouTube and go watch it. You can go find similar videos, or you can say, give me ideas like this. Okay, so now you're going to be looking at all these. So what is this number over here? 99x, 8x, 2x. It basically means that this channel only had 800 subscribers and they got 17,000 views. So it was 99 times basically what the expectation was for the amount of views that it should have gotten based on this subscriber count, right? So when you come over here, for example, and they have subscribers, 27,000 subscribers, they got 17,000 views. This number right here is an indication of what their average amount of views that they get. And this average amount of views that this channel gets is somewhere around half of this, right? So maybe around 8,000 or 9,000 views is typical, and they doubled it, and that's why it's a 2x, right? So over here, they have 38,000 subscribers. They got 12,000 subscribers. So you would basically take 8 less than the 12,000 over here. And that's what the typical channel gets. The typical video on this channel gets. So it's not based on, doubling the amount of views per subscribers means it's a 2x. It's based on, there's an algorithm that measures the average views on that channel. And then when they get like double or more, right? Like this one, it performed 99 times. So basically, if I went and analyzed this channel over here, G tier, it would basically tell me that they hardly get any views at all, which is expected for a channel that has only 800 subscribers. But then all of a sudden they had one that went mini viral, 17,000 views. And that's why it got that 99x, almost 100 times more than what it normally gets. Okay. So let's go take a look at some of these videos that I've opened up. We can actually go, and I'm going to push, actually we'll listen to a little bit of it. Push play right here.
Red coat hands on my list. G-Dub on the track.
So you can see that, they've got AI avatar going on right there. And it's lip syncing to a music track right over here. And you can go and fast forward. Let me go mute this real quick, but we can go and fast forward through this. It's 100% a faceless YouTube video, right? So this is a faceless YouTube video, and it's based on a channel that only has 866 subscribers. Look at all the interaction and the comments they got. They finally got a video. Now you can go and analyze this channel more by clicking right here and then going over maybe and looking at videos. So they have 29 videos, almost 1,000 subscribers. That's about where I would start hoping to see around 1,000 subscribers, is around the 30 video mark or so if you're doing something right. Now we can come over here and look at the latest, 500 views, 1,000 views, 16,000 views, 100 views. So, they typically get between 100 and maybe 200 views per video. We can go and you can start analyzing these faceless YouTube channels. And this one's in the gadgets, gear, games. They're kind of trying to hit a lot of topics right over here, but you can kind of see that they've already hit one for 20,000 views, 16,000 views. So these are the 2 videos that really are standouts on the channel, because you can come through here and start looking, 100 views. This is what it looks like when you start a YouTube channel. 60 views, 64 views, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took them their 6th video before they hit 100 views, right? So this is a channel that's not paying for ads, nothing like that. It took them 6 videos before they saw their first 100 views. You have to be able to fight through that right there. You have to be consistent if you want to make this happen. And now look, by the time they actually start coming over here and looking at the different videos, now you can start seeing, now they're starting to get 500 views, 1,000 views for their videos, 16,000 views right over here, and it's starting to pay off for them, okay? So that's one of them. Now you can go and reverse engineer what they're doing, look at some of their other videos on their channel to see what is performing well, and if it's a niche that you're into, you can also come back over here and you can start typing in things, right? Like review, you could go to outliers, you could actually go over here and type in, you know, software, maybe software, but it's really going to be looking at keywords that have software in it. But we can go over here and just see what's going on over here. Rivian software update right over here. 20,000 views for a channel that only has 2,900 subscribers. What is Rivian, right? So you'd want to go and check that out. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this tool. It's a super cool way to be able to do this. Now there's other tools out there. There's one that's called 1 of 10, and it's expensive. It's $49 a month just to use a tool that does something similar like this. Well, VidIQ finally built in their own little outlier tool, and you can use this for as little as like $12 a month. I do recommend getting on VidIQ for the paid plan. I do have a link below. Go check it out. We'll keep going right over here. So here's another one. Look at this. Mesmerizing AI-generated psychedelic animation. Stunning visuals by artificial intelligence. You can go over here. It's by this channel called Ambient. They only has 8,600 and 6,500 subscribers. And when you come over here, you can look at 16,000 views. This video was uploaded 2 weeks ago. It has 26 comments. People are liking this as well. And you can go ahead and zoom through. You can go and learn how to do this AI video kind of art, very artsy creation right over here, and you can build a channel. We can go click over here and look at what they're doing over here, and you can see that they almost are approaching 1 million views, and in the last 30 days, this is a great indication. They've got 97,000 views. They're already starting to hit that 100,000 views per 30 days mark. And remember, you can always come in here and dissect and see just an estimate of what they might be making. And so we'll go over to Social Blade and we'll put in their handle right here, and we'll see that they are most likely monetized and they're making around $375 a month. Depends on the niche. They could be making up to 4 times as much as this, but they're going to fall around, maybe it's probably at the $4 mark. So $375, it might go up to about $500 per month right there. They're going to need to do some other things in this particular niche in order to probably make money. Super, super cool videos right over here. And what we could do is go to videos and then click on their latest one right over here and then see if they have anything in their description that they're doing right over here. They're doing a lot of work. It's not quite my style because they're going to be doing a crap load of work in order to make, you know, $1,000 a month off this channel. I mean, they're uploading like crazy and they're just sharing a subscribe button. They're not sharing any affiliate links or nothing like that. So they're not making any more money other than what we're indicating over here, which, like I said, is $375. I mean, the max that this channel could be making is about $1,000 a month. And the amount of work that they're putting in, I probably wouldn't go after this one. That's just my own preference because they've already done 275 videos, and this is a lot of work to do this. 200, and this might be a channel that they literally are just doing this for fun because it's their hobby and art and all that. Good stuff for them, but they're not really making a lot of money on this channel. Next, we move over to another one, how to make documentary video using AI. This is just a really popular niche right over here. Anything with make money with AI, how to make videos with AI, anything that's using AI to do stuff is a popular niche right over here, okay? And this is where that 4x outlier is, right? 4x. So they got 4 times the amount of views on this particular video. That means that about what, 3, 6, 9, 12. So about 3,000, their typical videos are about 3,000 views. Now we can go and open this one up as well. Before we do that, we'll come over here and just to show you that this is literally a faceless tutorial. Look, we'll cruise through here. And I know that they're getting this idea right over here, this like kind of avatar that they made for the channel with this green color and everything. There's other channels that are doing something similar, and it works, guys. If you can go create a cartoon avatar that's weird looking, kind of with a bright green or bright yellow or something like that, it's going to stand out. It's strange and it's interesting, it's captivating, and it works. Okay, and that's exactly what they're doing. And I guarantee you they're going to have some types of links in here. Look, tools used in the video. This is an affiliate link right here. These other ones they're not affiliates for, but look, they're as soon as they become affiliates, they'll put their link in right there. But look at this. They are definitely an affiliate, because that's what this question mark via equals Leo. This is an affiliate link right over here. So they make money on that. Then they have their video chapters, and then they have a subscribe to. So they don't have a whole lot going on with, but they're building it up right over here. And what we can do is we can go and analyze the channel further, look at videos, and start seeing my analysis of around 3,000 views per video is about accurate. 3,000 views, 2,000 views here, 6,000 views here, 2,000, and then they have, one that didn't perform well at all, 400. So it balances out the good with the bad, right? 1.7 thousand views and 400 views, and then you have your 2,000 views, and then you have your 6,000 views and your 8,000 views. So when you compilate all that together and take an average, they usually get about 3,000 views all in all, right? And so with that said, when you have some standout videos like the 81,000 views right there, 52,000, the 43,000, the 32,000 right over here, and the one that we were looking at, which was how to make a documentary video, which got 14,000 views. So we'll scroll down here. The video from a couple of weeks ago is their 2, 4, 6, 7, 8th most popular video on the channel, and they've got it right over here, okay? Remember, we can go over here and we can take a look at this by just grabbing the handle right here and seeing what they, are doing on the channel. Are they making any money on the channel? And it basically, now this particular niche, I would say is probably 3 to 4 times more than what it's saying right here. So they're probably making between $800 and $1,000. Now you have to remember, certain niches get way more than the $4. I hover over this, and this is $4 per CPM. And there are definitely niches that have way more than that. And I know that the AI and make money with AI niche is a high CPM, around $15 per. So if you take that 4, 8, 12, 16, so it's about 4 times as much is what it's going to tell you right there. If that makes any sense to you, they're making probably $1,000 a month from that. And then with affiliate marketing, they're making some money as well, but they're getting about 54,000 views. So it's not bad. I like to see it getting up there to 75,000 to 100,000 views as well. But there's another one. And this is the way you go out and you dissect video creation tips. They're just using AI to create videos, and then they're teaching you how to do that, and they're going out and they're already monetized, making money right over here. So these are really good ways to go out there and learn about channels that are doing YouTube, Faceless YouTube, and replicating. You can go out there and replicate this. Here's a 3x outlier right over here. This channel, now I did have one in here that does have 1 million subscribers right over here, but they got 400,000 views 3 days ago, writing incredible songs with AI. I recommend going and watching the video, seeing if you know the software. You could go and make a similar video about this. There's probably an interest if it outlied with a channel, even if it has 1 million subscribers. If it did well on this big channel over here, it probably has a chance to even do well on your small channel. Obviously, you're not going to get 400,000 views, but if you're averaging 50 views or 100 views on your new channel and you do a video similar to this and doing a demonstration of this software, maybe you're going to, you can go and get 300 views, right? So this is how you would kind of go out and do research and see how it's going. Now we can go take a look at some more right over here. We have how to make shorts videos with AI short video generator. Now you can go through here, and it's 100% faceless. And what's cool is that they're using the software that I know of called Clipwise, right? So it's a popular software, but notice that this is a strategy that I like to teach as well. You don't always have to go after Clipwise review, right? Notice that they're not doing anything with Clipwise review. They're actually going after a couple other SEO keywords. How to make shorts videos with AI short video generator 2024. They might be ranking for this. We can go and take a look. I'm going to go and just go to YouTube real quick, and we'll type that in right over here, and we'll push search. And we'll see if they're actually ranking, and they are. CouponCodeIn.com, 21,000 subscribers, but they got a 14x outlier right over here. And look, they're ranked number 2 for that first keyword. And now if we go to how to make shorts videos with AI, we're going to type that in and just see if they're ranking for that as well. That one's going to be a more competitive keyword. We'll scroll down. Doesn't look like they're ranking for that, but they did rank for the other one. So that's another strategy that I teach as well. You can click the first link below and go and check out my school community It's very, very affordable to get in. I've got classes and courses that you can take on how to do Faceless YouTube and so forth. So they're not ranking. They are ranking right over here. So they're ranking in the like 20, 25. They're right over here. So they are technically ranking for both keywords. Both of these are keywords so they're going for the long-term approach, the SEO approach, but then YouTube also guarantee you pushed this video out, because there's no way that they got 21,000 views just from the YouTube search. About 80% of all views on YouTube are going to be from YouTube suggested, and YouTube recommends. It's actually not going to be from search, although search is a great way to get started so you can get some guaranteed views and rankings. A lot of the times when you're starting to see tens of thousands of views on a YouTube video, it means that YouTube pushed your video out. Okay. So there's another success from a video that you can easily go out and create this footage, put this together, and go start creating content like this. Now, I don't know what coupon code N means. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this, and let's just go see what we have over here. Now, they are getting about 258,000 views over the last 30 days. They're approaching 1 million views right over here, and they're posting about 13 videos a month. That means that they are on point, posting at least 3 videos a week, and that's why they are growing on YouTube, right? So you can see right over here, they're posting 5 days, 11 days, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. So they're posting consistently. Their thumbnails, quite frankly, suck. And they're using a template from Canva. Their thumbnails are just nothing special. There's nothing engaging about them, and they're still getting 6,000 views, 8,000 views. So this is a great way to go and look at what they're doing. It looks like they're letting you know about coupon codes and coupons that you can go out and get discounts on this software. I'm sure that they also have affiliate links to this stuff as well. So you go out there, you see how to get the coupon code, you click on their link. They also make money from recommending the software to you as well. So it's a pretty cool idea that they're doing as well. Now we can go over to popular and see they do have one from 139,000 views hosting your coupon. That's a huge software hosting, a website hosting company right over here, Hostinger, and they are getting a ton of views off of the coupon industry. Last but not least, here's another one right over here. You can go and check this video out. It's 100%. It's literally just a podcast, right? There's some visualizations going on in the background. You can see the audio wave bar right over here. And that is literally it right here. How your content could soon feed Meta's AI machine. Now, this is something that you could take this and go and create a similar video, a similar topic, and so forth, right? You could actually even go and grab the transcript and go and, rewrite it, all kinds of different things that you can do, but this one did well at 27,000 views 12 days ago. It's another topic. So these are all faceless YouTube videos, and they're all faceless YouTube channels, and they're all making money. You can go out and do the same thing. Make sure to subscribe to Faceless YouTube Profits, because this is where I'm teaching you all about Faceless YouTube channels. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars the last few years working full-time as a YouTube content creator, and the channel that I've made all that money from is a Faceless YouTube channel. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of this video and watching this content. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will be bringing you even better content in the future. Thanks. See you in the next time.